Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying your identity because Cash App raises limits only after confirmation. Open the app, tap your profile, then choose Personal and enter your full legal name, DOB, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. Once done, upload a clear photo of your government ID. Make sure lighting and focus are good because blurry images cause delays. This step proves who you are, which is why it unlocks higher sending and withdrawal thresholds. Next, link a bank account or debit card to validate funding sources and increase limits. Tap Linked Banks, add your account, then verify with microdeposits or instant verification using your bank login. This proves you control the account. Once linked, enable 2-factor authentication and confirm your phone number and email to strengthen your account's trust rating. Make sure to clear any pending verification steps. Cash App combines identity. Finally, check your new limits in the profile section. Changes often appear within 24 to 72 hours. If they don't, gather your verification confirmation and contact Cash App support through the app for review. Explain what you submitted and include any reference numbers. If your verification is denied, resubmit with clearer photos or an alternate government ID because document legibility is the most common problem. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache or reinstall before contacting support to rule out a local display issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.